do we have next?
Guacamole!
Oh boy. Guacamole coming at ya!
One of our favorite snacks, and what is so nice about it is it's super simple to make. So you want to make sure that your avocados are nice and ripe. There is this point though where it goes from just ripe to too ripe. So you kind of got to watch them there by about 2 to 4 avocados depending on size. And you'll just want to, of course, remove the pit and cut them into chunks and put them in your bowl. And then you're going to add about 1/4 cup of purple onion. And you're going to add about 1/2 cup of diced up tomatoes and cilantro. As much cilantro as you like. We like a lot of cilantro, so we put a lot. But some people, not much of a fan of cilantro. So you could put a little bit of cilantro, or you could even use parsley if you're not a huge cilantro fan. And then you're just going to put lemon.
Mm-hmm.
So squirt some lemon on there and salt and pepper. That's it.
That's pretty simple. It's super. Did you put tomatoes in yours as well?
Yeah, I said tomatoes.
You mentioned tomatoes?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's probably the easiest way you can make, avocado. Or
Make avocado. You
Avocado
mixed
dip.
it up. Avocado dip. Guacamole.
That's right.
Yeah. And then you can serve it with veggies. We like sometimes to scoop it out with cucumbers. But if you could find like a cleaner cracker chip, you could use that as well.
Yeah. And it's a fantastic party dip. Like this one here, people absolutely love. I can just about guarantee if you make that, it'll be gone super quick. So you have to make quite a bit of it.
Yeah.